Hello friends, today in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix Windows 11 not opening any programs. Guys, to resolve this problem, follow some easy steps. Firstly, click on Start. Now type here CMD. Now right click on command prompt and run as administrator. Now here guys, you have to type this command sfc space slash scan now. Now press enter. Now guys, it will take a couple of minutes to complete this scanning. So wait for few minutes. Now once you complete this process, type the second command chkdsk. Then press enter. Now once you complete, close it and restart. And hopefully guys, after restart you can resolve this problem. And guys, still you are facing error, so you can try another method. Open File Explorer. Now right click on this local disk properties and click on tools, then click on check. Now click on scan drive. Now here click on close and OK. And one thing more you can try, click on start, type regedit, open registry editor. Now here expand HK class root. Now here find out .exe file. Now here double click on .exe file and here should be one folder default. So right click on it and click on modify and make sure here is the written exe file without space, then click on OK. Now close it and restart. Thanks for watching. Please comment this video useful or not.